Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first time crocheting a pair of earrings, so I thought why not to share its tutorial with you guys. So let's see how to crochet them. You are required to use a 2 mm crochet hook and a 2 ply of a yarn. Here I am using white color yarn. You can use any color of your choice. So first step is to make a magic ring and insert the hook and then make 3 chain stitch. After making 3 chain stitch, you need to make 22 double crochets. So at the end we have 23 double crochets including 3 chain stitch. After making 23 double crochets, we need to tighten up the yarn at the back of the magic ring. Do not pull the yarn too tight because we don't have to close the center of the circles completely. We need a circle at the center of the magic ring. After that, insert your hook and into the third chain of the chain stitch and make a slip stitch. Now let's start with the round 2. Here I am using tight tension because I don't want my crochet heights too large. So starting with the 3 chains, and then we are gonna make a half double crochet in the next stitch with a 1 single chain. Repeat this process of half double crochet and single chain until we have 12 half double crochets in total. After completing with the round 2, in the next round 3, we are gonna turn our work and make chain 1. After this, in the next chain space, make 1 single crochet and then chain 1. Repeat this process of 1 single crochet and 1 chain in each stitch until we have 12 single crochets in total. Now in the last round we are gonna turn our work, and in the first chain we are gonna directly make 1 single crochet. We don't have to make any chain at the turning point, and in the next chain we are making 3 double crochets. Make sure to loosen up your tension quite a bit in the last round. And after making 3 double crochets into a single chain, in the next chain space we are gonna make 1 single crochet, and again in the next chain space we are making 3 double crochets. Now repeat this process of 1 single crochet and 3 double crochets till the end of the round. Now in the last you can see a thread of the last round, so make a slip stitch at the end of this round. Now pull the yarn tightly and cut off the excess yarn and remove it. After this, take a tapestry needle and insert the excess of the yarn and hide it at the back of the earring. Now attach the earring hook with our design using pliers. So basically count your double crochet spaces, and which is the center of the double crochet spaces, there attach your earring hook. Now your earrings are ready. Make sure to style them. Also, these earrings I made are from Pinterest inspired. So if you want me to recreate any of the Pinterest crochet items and you don't find its tutorial on YouTube or any other platform, make sure to DM your comment below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.